These are the things that you might see in the living room. Clock,
clock,
picture,
picture,
cupboard,
cupboard,
shelf,
shelf,
vase,
vase,
television,
television,
drawer,
drawer,
lamp,
lamp,
sofa,
sofa,
table,
table.
Now, let's guess the pictures. What is this?
It's a cupboard.
What is this?
It's a sofa.
What is this?
It's a television.
What is this?
It's a clock.
What is this?
It's a table.
What is this?
It's a picture.
What is this?
It's a drawer.
What is this?
It's a vase.
What is this?
It's a lamp.
What is this?
It's a shelf.
How many sofas are there?
There is one sofa.
How many televisions are there?
There is one television.
How many tables are there?
There are two tables.
How many vases are there?
There are two vases.
How many drawers are there?
There is one drawer.
Where is the sofa?
The sofa is in front of the wall.
Where is the TV?
The television is between the vases.
Where is the table?
The table is between the television and the sofa.
Where is the drawer?
The drawer is in the corner beside the sofa.
Where are the vases?
The vases are beside the television.
And I thank you for the leather fans, the kisses and the smiles. And I thank you for being the best part of my life.